Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock account on LinkedIn. Well, this is very easy thing to do. Just open your LinkedIn account here, and basically if you have blocked someone, so let me show you that here I will block this person. I will click on the three dots and I will click on here to block any of the account. I have to open their account and then I have to click on the three dots, and here you will get an option to block them. Right, so I will just click on block, right, block on Chimera, and I will just click on block here. Right, so I blocked it. Now how I can just unblock him, I will click on my profile icon, then I will go to the settings of my phone here, right, and here this is my settings. Now here you have to type on the visibility, and here you will find option of blocking. So this is my blocking, and I will just click on unblock. Right, to unblock it you have to enter your password. So once I enter my password here, right, so I have unblocked that person. So this is how you can unblock or block someone on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.